The former Home Minister and Finance Minister of this country, Mr. P Chidambaram, has come out and slammed the BJP and also the Election Commission, taking a direct jibe vis-a-vis the case in point, the Gujarat elections, saying that it looks like the Election Commission is totally facilitating the Prime Minister and the BJP in its efforts to try and announce all its sops before the election dates are even announced. Mr. Chidambaram going on to say perhaps it will be the Prime Minister who will decide and declare the election dates from his rally on Sunday, even before the EC decides. The EC will be recalled from its extended holiday after Gujarat government has announced all the sops, he says in his Twitter post. Aditi Anantnarayanan now joins us with more on this story. Aditi, how has the BJP responded to this? Because this is a direct jibe. This is also badnami of the Election Commission, which is being done by the tall Congress leader.
Well, Anand, this has been happening ever since that day when the Election Commissioner, Mr. A K Jyoti, had announced the election dates of Himachal, but he chose not to announce the date of the Gujarat polls. We have been seeing the kind of political reaction that we have been getting from the opposition parties. The Congress has made it very clear that the Election Commission's office is playing in the hands of the Prime Minister and the BJP-ruled government in the state of Gujarat. In fact, we had also heard various leaders from the Congress coming out and saying that the reason why the dates weren't announced was because the Prime Minister wanted to announce certain SOPs for the people of Gujarat and also announce certain policies and schemes that could be used for the people of Gujarat. But we haven't really seen any specific announcements so far coming in from the Prime Minister. Remember that he was also there in Gandhinagar during the culmination of the Gaurav Yatra, but not major announcements were made by the Prime Minister, I beg your pardon. So the BJP's defense is very clear that the Election Commission is an autonomous body. Neither the BJP nor the Prime Minister interferes in the working of the Election Commission. And secondly, there have been past precedents as well, where we have seen, like in 2012, like in 2007, when the dates of both Himachal and Gujarat were announced separately. Now, it will become even more controversial, politically speaking, Anand, because next week is what we're given to understand that the Election Commission will be all set to announce the dates of the Gujarat Assembly elections.